In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using Mailchimp, a valuable tool for marketers and businesses alike. Let's dive in and get started on crafting a dynamic landing page that will capture your audience's attention and grow your business. First, log into your Mailchimp account and direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You're looking for the button labeled Create. A single click on this will start your journey towards building your landing page. The Create button is basically the launch pad for all kinds of projects in Mailchimp, whether you're setting up an email campaign or, like today, crafting a landing page. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll see a list of different types of campaigns you can embark on. Look for and select Landing Page from this list. Landing pages are fantastic for targeted marketing, allowing you to hone in on specific messages and offers for your audience. So, selecting Landing Page tells Mailchimp you're ready to design a page that's focused and compelling. Now that you've chosen to create a landing page, it's time to give your page a name. This step is crucial, as the name you choose helps you stay organized, especially when you're managing multiple campaigns. I recommend typing in a descriptive and concise name that quickly conveys the purpose or target of the page. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and type it in the designated field. Next, hit Begin, which will kickstart the process of setting up your landing page. At this point, you might feel a bit of anticipation as you gear up to bring your vision to life. Clicking Begin basically sets the stage for you to really start crafting and building out the content. After you're directed to the next section, it's time to choose a template for your landing page. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to fit different needs and styles. Browse through them, find the one that aligns with your vision, and select it. This template serves as the backbone of your page design, so choose one that complements your brand and message. With your template selected, you can now dive into designing the page. This is your chance to customize the content, images, and layout. Take your time to experiment with various fonts, colors, and elements to ensure your landing page aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Don't rush. A well-designed page can significantly impact your audience's engagement. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Save and Close to ensure all your hard work is secured. This step guarantees that none of your efforts are lost, and you can confidently move towards the final stages of your project. Before you publish, double-check all the elements on your page. Is everything aligned? Are the links correct? Once you've reviewed everything thoroughly, it's time for the big moment. Click on Publish to set your landing page live. Congratulations, your page is now active and ready to engage your audience.